Hey, Himanshu Bish with Himanshu.com. In this video, we are going to review Gapsy. So Gapsy is a website that helps you design your Android and iOS applications without learning any coding or having any technical knowledge. So what you can really do, you can publish your applications on Google Play Store and Apple App Store, and you can make recurring passive income from it. And also you can charge for your services. So there are a lot of small businesses who are looking to go online right now, and they are looking for their mobile applications. So you can design them with Gapsy, and then you can publish it, and you can charge for your services. Okay. And alternatively, if you already have a business and you are looking to save some money on developer, you can design your own applications for your own business. So trust me when I say this, building mobile applications is a challenge. Back in 2017, when I was starting my freelancing business, I was getting a lot of orders for building mobile applications, and at that moment I didn't really take any of them because I didn't have any resource, I didn't have any knowledge. And because building basic applications is easy, but when you are looking for advanced features, then it's challenging. Okay. And alternatively, you can learn all the coding and C++, Java, and all JavaScript, user experience, user interface, and then you can develop it. So both the time, it's not really a good idea. So Gapsy solves a very important problem, and I wish I would know this software when I was starting up, but it's fun. And in this video, we are actually jumping into my screen, and I'm going to be showing you how can we design one application. I'm going to be doing it together step by step. So it's kind of tutorial, but before it, let's review the software, because is it really good, and do you really need the software or not, and what is the pricing, pros and cons, and all that stuff we are going to be going in very detail. So if you want drag and drop software that helps you save money and make money while building applications, make sure to check out my description, because I have some really special bonuses for you. I'm sure you will love them if you are looking at Gapsy. Okay, so let's begin with understanding what the software is and how you can utilize it. Okay, so this is Gapsy website, you can see. And there are only 3 steps involved in building an application. First, you design it, then you give features with drag and drop system, and then you publish it on iOS App Store and Android Play Store. And it's very step-by-step guide. And these are a few softwares that they have designed. And look at this. One thing that I really love about this software is there are a lot of integrated features. So you are not designing everything. You are using a boilerplate they have provided, and there are hundreds of templates to design in. For example, if you want to create a mobile commerce store, or you want to have a loyalty card program, or you want to offer discounts and taxi ride applications or meals and scratch card, you can do it all by using their templates, and also you can create your own. Okay, so it's very robust application that you are getting right here. And I really love this invite a friend feature, because if you already have a published application, then you can use Google Play Store URL, and you can launch your invite a friend feature, and you can really use this power of referral marketing for promoting your application. So it's very interesting. And these are a few more, like push notifications, inbox, quiz, chat system, form, social wall, and a marketplace, and all that stuff. So this is a very advanced application builder that you are getting, but not everything that I liked about the software. So there are a few things that I wish that would be better, so I will talk about them. So let's talk about the pricing first. So basically we have 2 plans, basic and premium. And in basic plan, it's mostly same, but you just have some limitations. For example, you can only have 500 app downloads and users, and it's very limited. You don't really want only 500 people to download it, right? So it's better if you go for premium, and by going yearly, you can save a lot of money for sure, right? And if there is any special offer, you will find that on their website as well. And now let me show you what it looks like from the back end and how you can design an application with it. Okay, so this is my backend right here. One thing that I wish that would be there is a free trial, because Gapsy still doesn't have a free trial. So you don't really have an option to try this out. This is why I'm creating this detailed review, so you can understand that everything step by step, and you can really make use of this. Okay, So what we are going to be doing, we are going to be creating one restaurant application, and I call it Namaste Restaurant. It's very interesting story that I just that just came into my mind. So I was traveling in Vietnam, and there was this guy I met there. He was a restaurant owner, and he said, "Sir, spices run in our veins." I am an Indian, so I love Indian food, and probably you too, right? Like most of the people I meet, they love Indian food, and this guy said, "Sir, spices run in our veins. If we do not eat spices, then we feel like we haven't eat anything." So it's very interesting, right? So we are going to be creating this Namaste Restaurant application, and we will be giving some features. I have created some resources. For example, I have opened this website, so I can copy some of the some of the details from here. But just for the disclaimer, all of this content belongs to their original publisher. It's not mine. Okay, so I have created this. All you need to do is to click on create a new application, and then you need to give it a name. Okay, so for example, I'm going to be giving Namaste Restaurant, and I'm going to be clicking on create, and as soon as you do it, you will reach to this particular page. So you have these four options. First is design, second is color, and third is feature, and then application, and then last step is publish. So there are only 5 steps, and you will have your systems ready, everything ready. And let's start by creating our design. Okay, so I'll click on this left hand side, I'll click on editor, and I'll click on design. And now I have these options, right? I have this option to change my template, and I have this option to change my layout, and this layout options I have. So I have like all these templates that they have already designed. So art, corporate, entertainment, local business, organization, all bunch of stuff they have already done. But what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be going with the blank template because I like this one. So I'll click on it. Okay, so here we go. Now I have created my template. Now I want to change this layout. So I'll click on change my layout, and I'll pick one of them. I really like this one because it feels, because we want to create a restaurant application, right, for this example. So awesome, we have created our layout. It looks good. And now you can actually test out how your application looks like by using this right panel. Okay, so if you will click on it, you can actually see it looks cool. And then if you want to change it anything like this, then you can do it. And then you can also click on this see changes, and you can see how this thing is happening. Okay, and there is this overlay, and if you want to change this home page background, you can do it. So you can click on change your home page, and I'll click this one. Okay, so I have created one already for designing this application. So I use this software called Canva for designing my background images and all the design. So you can use it. I have given a link in my description. You can check this out. So I'll click on OK, and now you can see I have changed my layout, right? And if I'll click on see changes, then I can also see the changes reflecting in my right panel. So this is how my mobile application is going to be looking like. So that looks cool. I am not going to be changing anything. If you want, you can change this localization. So there are a lot of different currencies that you can pick from. And then if you want to change this language as well, you can also do it. So it's very detailed application that they have designed. I really like this. And then you can also change the fonts, right? If you want to change any of these settings. So that's fine for me right now. I will move to colors. Alright, so now I have moved to colors, and now I can change everything step by step, right? So I'll start by going to general. It's background is this one. Let me just copy this. It looks good. And then the home page, as you can see, I'm not really a good designer. This is why I mostly outsource this part. But with this kind of software, I can actually do it, I guess, by my own, right? So I'll just change it. You might want to spend some more time because you are designing a real application. I'm designing this demo application, and then this is the header. So I just want to have this consistency, so I'll keep it as it is. Layout, this is good. Spinner, let's see. If you need any help, then you can also reach out to their support. because they have an amazing support, so you will never feel stuck anywhere. And there are buttons that you want to change. It's very interesting, right? So I think it looks good to me for now, so I'll just move it as it is. So let's go to our features, Raj. All right, so this is my favorite part because right now I have like so many different options. We have audio, images, video, social wall, radio, interesting, and code scan. You can design your QR code, and it's very interesting because right now everybody's going for contactless stuff, right? And then set meals, that's interesting. I will change it for, okay, so I'm looking for meal, right? Because I want to have this meal option because we are designing this application for restaurants. So I'll click on set meals over there. This is one feature I'm looking in my application, right? So awesome. There is this chana masala that I have designed already. So set meal. I'm gonna be changing it to menu. Choose your food, and see this is already changed in my right panel, right? And then I will change this add content. This is the favorite part because now I can do all my customization and you'll be able to see how fun it is. So I'll go to my reference, this particular one. Again, I do not promote anything like if this is a non-veg, veg, vegan, nothing is related to me. But I'm just copying these, okay? So I'll pick this one, Murg Makhani, that looks good, and price is, let's say, $10. I'll use some description like, okay, let's pick this one. This is the description, that looks good. And add a picture. If you want to add a picture, then also you can do. Right now I don't have any picture. Maybe I will use Canva for it. That looks good, right? I'll go to create new design and then 100, let's say. Okay, so now I can see this beautiful image over there, right? So I'll just use it for my reference. One thing that I wish that would be there is an option to directly copy a URL and pick this, get a picture, right? Because you have to upload this and you have to download this from here. So I don't really like this kind of feature. So I'm going through some pros and cons, right, along this review and along this tutorial that I'm showing you. So I'll pick this chana and I'll click on add picture. I'll go for this one, and that looks cool. You can actually see how fast this software is, right? It's just getting uploaded really fast. I want to add this. I want to say okay. So then I can see this. Okay, I have added Murg Makhani and then I have added a chana masala option, right? So it's not good. You don't have to do this, but I hope you got the point, right? So there is chana masala, there is Murg Makhani, that looks good. You can actually see this. You can actually see the whole simulation, right? Look at it. You can people can actually click on this and then they can find all the details, and this is option also right there. So this is how you add these content. Then you can also change the background. If you want, you can use this. I like this one, that's fine. You might want to spend some more time designing your background as well. Of course, you can use Canva for all these things. For example, if they are looking for 1080, 1920, this dimension on your background, also you can do it. Then you can go to design, and this is where you can pick from 3 different designs, and there are a lot coming up. So they have this very active development going on, so you can pick from them. Mostly this layout one looks good. It's very general, everybody uses it. And now if you want to add some more pages, right? If you want to add some audio, or you want to add some contest or discount, that's interesting that you can do it. And let's say if I want to add some other one, let's say loyalty card, that looks good. So I can provide some kind of reward for people who are visiting my store again and again. So I can also do it, right? So as soon as I reached this one, they have already created this login feature, right? So email, password, you don't even have to develop this. So then you can add this employee name and employee password. You can give OK after adding this. And then if you want some more features, you can also do it, right? Then you can go to application. Now this is fun. So we have designed this, we have given specific colors and then specific features, and then we want to have this final changes, right? So this is the application name. This is important because this will be showing up everywhere. And then this is web link. You cannot change it, very important, because this is where your application is getting published. So you have this cloud server on Gapsy website. So you don't even have to buy that, because otherwise you will buy this from Google or Amazon most of the time. And then there is this application icon if you want to add. I'll go there and find out Chana for now. But see, this is very important because, for example, you can see this in the right panel, right? Maps has a different icon, photos have a different icon. So this is important that you have this special icon. You can go to Canva, design your own logo or something, right? So for example, for Facebook, it's F, right? So in very similar way. And then if you want to add this back button appearance, very interesting, like such a small detail. So I will click on this home. I really like this one. And also if you have this knowledge of custom CSS, then also you can use it, okay? But you don't, it's not, it's optional. You don't have to have that. Okay, and then this is the setting option if you want to change anything right there. And then this is a splash screen. Now, what is a splash screen? It's basically what shows up before your application loads. So it takes some time, right? So you might have seen something popping up, you know, on the front. So this is where you want to add a different kind of different kind of background over there. I'll simply go and pick my cover because this is fine for now. But I would suggest you to have a dedicated screen for it. Then I will save it. And now we can go to publication. Okay, so you can actually see how easy it is, right? We haven't even spent 20 minutes so far. And then this is the general information about the app. So you can see this application name and bundle ID. Don't change it. Do not change it, very important. And there's this package name, okay? You want to save it right here. And then if you want, you can monetize your application. So this is another very important thing. If you want, you can also show ads to inside your application, right? And then you can make money from it. If you want, you can do it. I will not go a lot in this detail. It's very simple. You can register for Google Ad Mob free account, and then you can start monetizing your application. And then there are a few more details like iPhone version with no ads, and then Android version. Most of the time, go for this generate source. As soon as you will do it, it will create your application source, okay? This is what you have to publish. And then you can give this version of your application. And there is this a little bit of advanced setting, for example, media player if you want, and then battery optimization setting and that stuff. If you want, you can have it. And that is it. Like this is how you design an application on Gapsy. It's a very simple 5-step process, right? And it's very interesting that how much you can actually do with this, because with every feature that you are opening up in your application, you will have these modules right here. So for example, loyalty analytics, you can track how your features are performing. So you can improvise on it. And then this is like property listing and appointment calendars. And one important thing that most of the application builders do not provide is this webhook. So basically what it does, it connects your application with other applications as well. So it's not compulsory, it's completely optional. But if you want to use this application for more robust features, then you can do it, right, with the help of webhook. So I'm not going into details for it because I don't want to confuse you with it. But this is very important, because if you have some idea of it, you will be able to utilize it. If you do not, then also that's fine. You will be able to create your application just by drag and drop features, okay? Then you can go to these settings, you can check out this domain and advanced, all that stuff you can do. And that's it. This is how you do it, right? So One thing that I really enjoyed about Gapsy, if I want to give this final verdict, I really like the simplicity. It's interesting to see how simple 5 steps will help you create your whole application. When I was in college, I was learning this Android Studio and Java, and I didn't really finish it because it was too challenging, and I didn't have that patience for creating this every part of it step by step. I really enjoyed one side of it, the settings of it, but then I was not really able to finish any of the application. And second thing that I enjoyed is the ability. You can do a lot of stuff without learning a lot. And another thing is you can customize it like a lot. You have this option for customizing every color and fonts, and then this layout. This is amazing. This is incredible. If you want to develop your application, this is a dream, right? But there are a few things that I wish that would be there. For example, they do not have this cloud upload option. You have to download everything and then you have to upload it to their server. I didn't enjoy this part. And second is, I'm really looking for some tutorials, right? If I'm completely new, then I have to understand everything, right? I wish there would be any tooltip that is telling me like go there, click this, and like startup tool, right? That would be much better. These are like the things, but that's fine. Like if for the price that you are paying, and I know how much cost and energy is involved in designing an application, so I know this is a steal. Make sure to check out my description, get the special offer if you are looking for a Gapsy. And I hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you are completely new to this channel, make sure to subscribe this, press the bell icon so that every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. I'm producing a lot of videos that might be very helpful for your business and for your personal development. So make sure to do that. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and I'm looking to see you in my next video.